Now, it's always shocking to see the damage and devastation caused by wildfires around the world. And historically, they're less extreme in the UK, but there are warnings scenes like this could become more common because of climate change. So Swansea University is developing a new system to predict where this type of fire could break out. The team at the Wildfire Research Centre is working on a model similar to those already used in countries like Canada and Australia. Lucy Vladov has been finding out more.
The footage by now we've all seen. Fires out of control, upending the lives of families.
We are seeing a fairly sustained high values throughout July and going into August.
It's a far cry from a quiet, calm, air-conditioned room thousands of miles away. But as temperatures here soar yet again, this team is hoping to build a system to help predict areas most at risk in the UK.
What that will basically give us is a warning of where and when, if fires occur, there will be a particularly high risk. So it will tell us in this particular type of vegetation, under these particular weather conditions, the flames may be very high. So too high for example, people on foot, fire services on foot to tackle those flames. Are there houses nearby? Do we need to evacuate people, for example? Are there other important infrastructures?
It's a project which is seeing scientists across the UK teaming up to assess how things like wind speed, grass cover and moisture levels can influence where and how dangerous fires could be.
Fortunately, in the London fires, nobody got killed. But this could have very easily have happened if the winds would have been even stronger.
As the climate changes, we're facing more extreme weather. In fact, the risk from fires is increasing faster than any climate models predicted. The research being done here would be the first of its kind for the UK, and the scientists are hoping it will help to protect all of us in the years to come.
At a local park nearby in Swansea, people out enjoying the weather were all too aware of the risks.
Cutting down on the barbecues and, garden fires and stuff like that with the hot weather, definitely.
But where we live, we're sort of near a big forest, and there was a small fire there, wasn't there, before we came here? So, yeah, it has been a worry.
When completed, this system could work alongside the Met Office Wildfire Severity Index, which offers information on how severe a fire could become in certain conditions and would help other organisations plan.
Where it's predicted that we could be looking at a bit of a change in the climate. Obviously, that'll have consequences for the fire and rescue service, and we're looking at putting different procedures, different equipment in place to look at how that could affect us in the next couple of decades, even as far ahead as that.
This is just the beginning of the project, but one that once created would help us all be better prepared for the future.